We've made our business successful by focusing on one person at a time. That's why we treat everyone with the same care and attention every single time. And now we're proud to share some great feedback. Take a look. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top shelf service to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. Let us help you with our excellent service backed by years of experience. We'd love the chance to give you a 5-star experience too. Simply call the number on your screen and contact us today to get started. We look forward to working with you and thanks for watching.